Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm really excited to introduce you to our new sponsor, CARDO UK. Today we're going to be unboxing the flagship model, the CARDO PACKTALK EDGE.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knuckles. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Thank you for clicking onto our video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. It also means that you won't miss any of our videos. If you're a loyal subscriber, welcome back and let's get started. The price of the CARDO PACKTALK EDGE is $289.99 for the solo and $449.98 for the duo if you want to go halves with a friend. So let's get stuck in. You got a flap on the top, just there if you can see. Just pop that open. CARDO fact number one, the unit's fully waterproof and it can take a proper beating from the rain, mud, dust, anything you can throw at it, it'll survive it. Next, slide the box out, tip it upside down. Put the packaging to the side. Have the CARDO logo in and upwards, just like that. Next. Satisfying. Pick up the box, hard bit to the side, and it reveals your beautiful unit right here. Looks amazing. CARDO fact number two is that the unit's fully voice operated. You can just say, hey CARDO, and it will do whatever you tell it to do. So you will never have to press a button again. Next thing is, take off the plastic tray out of the box with the unit. Put it to the side. You will reveal all the paperwork inside. You get a little sticker here, just like that. There you go. A little brochure to download the CARDO Connect app and warranty paperwork and a quick start guide. You actually get two of those. Revealing the paper box on the inside. These two boxes on the side are empty. We're just worried about this middle box. CARDO fact number three, let's talk about battery life. You've got a talk time of 13 hours. The charging time is up to 2 hours for a full charge. On fast charging, you can have 2 hours of talk time only in 20 minutes to charge. And also the standby time is 10 days. So now let's take the paper box out of the middle, which we'll need. Put the blue box to the side. CARDO fact number four, they run a second generation DMC. If you don't know what that means, it's a dynamic mesh communication system. Also featuring a Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. It has an auto reconnect feature and it will also allow you to connect up to 15 riders. The range between unit to unit is 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. In this box, you'll have everything that you'll need to mount and set up your CARDO EDGE onto your helmet. Just pop it open. You got a plastic bag that holds all the two different types of mounts, a clap mount, a 3M sticky mount, a microphone, some alcohol prep wipes, 2 pieces of Velcro for your microphone, 2 pieces of Velcro for your speakers, and some expansion pads just in case the speakers are too far away from your ears. Let's put those to the side. The next thing in the box is going to be a bag with your speakers. CARDO fact number five, they're on 44mm speakers from JBL, which create a very nice sound. Let's pop these to the side. Next thing you're going to have in a box is going to be a little bubble wrap baggie inside the actual cradle where the unit itself attaches and all the wiring attaches to it. Throw that to the side. Second last thing in the box is going to be your Type-C charging cable. The new generation CARDO PACKTALK EDGE runs a Type-C. And the last thing in the box is going to be a boom mic. If you guys are rocking flip-up helmets, you're going to be using this. Put that to the side. CARDO bonus fact, the unit has a crazy design where the actual unit you can throw it onto the cradle and it magnetically clips on. If you want to take it off, pull this plastic bit to the side and slide it off just like that. That is so cool. I'll never get bored of this. Just throw it on, it clips on. Sick. In addition to that, you also have over-the-air updates. If you download a CARDO app, which is called CARDO Connect, you can connect to your unit with a Bluetooth and update the software to the newest software of the unit to keep up to date with the best software that is available for the unit and fixes all the bugs if there is any. In the next video, we're going to show you how to install the actual unit onto the helmet of your choice, of course, but we're going to use my helmet that we have, just put it on there, and we'll go step by step on how to actually put everything onto the helmet and then get out there and have fun and listen to some nice bangers on this awesome unit. Can't wait to test that out. Make sure you drop a sub to not miss out the next video where we're going to be showing you how to install the unit onto the helmet. Also, if you haven't already, go down to Instagram and follow CARDO UK. Show them some love and check out the content. They've got really nice content. I hope this video helped out with your expectations of what you actually get in the box and also in the unit. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll answer anything I can help you with. If I can't help you, then go down to CARDO UK and ask the experts themselves, and I'm sure they'll be able to sort you out. We will end it like we always do. Stay safe, ride safe, peace. In a bit. Yo, what's happening? Why ain't you subscribed? Go to 1K, let's get it, man. If you haven't, show some love to CARDO UK and get that unit you really want. It's gonna be worth it. Peace.